Hello, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we will be unboxing Stephen King's It. And I did get this at Barnes & Noble for $5, and it has a Monster Mayhem slipcover, so that's pretty cool. So here's the front, and here's the back. Okay, and now here is the spine. And underneath it is the DVD. So there we go. Now let's open it. Alright, so here we go. Here's the front, the spine, and the back. Okay, and now if we open it up, you get a blank disc. It would be cool if it had cover artwork, but that's fine. And I have seen the remake, which was It Chapter 1, but I haven't seen Chapter 2 yet, and I still need to see this movie. So yeah, that about wraps up the video, and I'll see you in the next. Bye!